Well, certainly you want to do the right thing, but it's not always easy to safely dispose of old medications. Well, now Pharmacies and Google Maps are teaming up to make it easier. Colorado is one of the first states to get this pilot program. CBS 4's Tori Mason checking in at a new drop-off location here in Denver. Tori, what a great idea.
Definitely, Jim. We know that drug take-back programs are a really effective way to keep meds out of the wrong hands, but oftentimes they're at temporary locations. Now there's a way that you can locate permanent drop-off locations through your phone, the same way you would restaurants or gas stations. New Health Services creates personalized treatment plans for patients with chronic pain.
If we are trying to take them down or wean them off their medication, that when we do get them to a point where they're not using as much, to make sure that they get rid of it as soon as possible.
But getting medication out of the house isn't that simple.
People used to be told just to flush them down the toilet, get rid of them.
That can pollute our water. Throwing them away isn't much better, but doing nothing can be deadly.
Young children that are exploring in the home, you'll have teenagers exploring in the home. If someone's taking them from mom's cabinet or dad's cabinet and bringing them to the schools, I think we're seeing the impact of that now.
The majority of prescription abuse begins with drugs taken from family and friends.
They don't know how they're going to react to it and what's going to happen, and again, that's where people get into trouble.
Google Maps partnered with Pharmacies and the DEA to help people locate safe disposal sites. Just search drug drop-off near me, and Maps will list the closest locations. Then a professional does the rest.
What is in that stuff?
So unless you have a bottle of drug busters under the sink,
It's basically a chemical digestive.
dropping off is your safest bet. Now again, Colorado is one of the first states where this new feature is being rolled out. So at the moment, there's only a few listed in Denver. So if you don't see many in your area, just keep checking back. Google says they will be adding more. We're live in Denver. Tori Mason covering Colorado First.